Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese-style set meal. This is a menu that babies can eat as long as they became around 1 year old. As a menu, we're going to make Okonomiyaki, Japanese-style savory pancakes, and Kabocha no Itokoni, simmered pumpkin with Adzuki beans. And I'll taste those two menus aside with miso soup. And for miso soup recipe, I already filmed, so please check another video. As always, my friendly family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Our Japanese style set meal is ready, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Let's start the main dish first. Smells yum! So fluffy and soft, and green onion adds a good flavor. I believe no okonomiyaki is complete without green onions. And let's try the simmered pumpkin with adzuki beans. The natural sweetness from the pumpkin combined with the red beans, adzuki, gives it a gentle taste. And miso soup. ごちそうさまでした。So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: if you are eating with a small family, I recommend to chop the ingredients into very small. Tip: I made the original sauce this time, but of course it is delicious with commercial okonomiyaki sauce. Tip: for making the simmered pumpkin dish, I also recommend to use the commercial tsubuan, grainy sweetened wrapping paste. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How about these Japanese style set meal ideas? I hope these recipes will help you to make delicious and nutritious meal sets. If you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy, simple, and nutritious Japanese recipes, including baby meals, toddler food, and pregnancy meals, and also desserts. We will see you next time. Bye bye!